This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. After the close of the month for October 2019, let's take a look at the XLF, the financial space ETF. We can see for the month of October, there was a breakout attempt, and the price level, the current all-time monthly closing high from early 2018 remains at 28.75. So we can see there was a breakout attempt. As of the end of the month, this has not been a successful breakout. It can still go on and break out in the new month or in the coming months, but for now hasn't been able to close above this price. So we can watch this price for guidance. Of course, anything above this price is bullish. Failure to break out, on the other hand, is a red flag. So that's pretty much one way we can look at how the financial space is going to be behaving in the coming months. Anything above this price is good. Failure to break out is a red flag. And there's another aspect, which is the quality of any breakout. So now this is a closer view. Again, at the end of the month here for October. The month just closed a couple of hours ago. We are going into a new month. New months can bring new energies, but we can see here we need a breakout if this is going to take off. And again, a failed breakout. It's not a good sign. 28.75. But here's the key. As of right now, if you take a look at the RSI and the MACD, something I've been talking about, and you're going to see this in many of the major averages. As far as the RSI and MACD, as of right now, they don't meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links are going to be in the description if you don't understand this method. But because we don't meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, what this tells me is that more than likely we are going to eventually have to roll over and head lower because we don't have the quality setup for a powerful move. Again, the links for the ultimate Muathe breakout are going to be in the description of the video. Because we don't have the minimum requirements, this tells me that over time, there's a higher probability that markets are going to be trending lower and with a high momentum to the downside at some point. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.